From ancient fire spinning all around, every breath is borrowed from the sky. Every tear is light, learning how to cry. In our bones there's a cosmic trace, old constellations, time and space. We walk the earth but we're not confined. We're made of stars, body and mind. When the weight of the world feels heavy on you, remember what the universe already knew. We are stardust inside, pure energy, vibrating love in infinity. From the stars to the ground we stand, positive hearts, hand in hand. We are stardust inside, shining bright, turning the darkness into light. Raise your mind, let your spirit rise. We are children of the skies. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Every thought is a frequency, every word shapes reality. What you give is what you receive. That's the truth we choose to believe. No fear can survive this glow. When your inner sun starts to show, the world changes when you decide to live from love, not from the fight. The stars don't judge, they just align. They remind you your time is divine. We are stardust inside, pure energy, vibrating love in infinity. From the stars to the ground we stand, positive hearts, hand in hand. We are stardust inside, shining bright, turning the darkness into light. Raise your mind, let your spirit rise. We are children of the skies. Oh. Yeah. Echoes drifting through the night, bassline breathing cosmic light. Every pulse, every sound, roots in heaven, feet on ground. Yeah. Stay kind, stay true. The universe is moving through you. We are stardust inside. Can't you feel this love is real? This force is real. No hate, no fear, no disguise. Only truth in our eyes. We are stardust inside. One vibration, one heart, one generation. Think positive, live alive. Ooh. This is how the soul survives. From the stars we came, to the stars we'll go. Until that day, let your inner light flow.